A picture is worth 1,000 words, so they say. So I'm going to attempt to demonstrate how you change your settings in Nextdoor. This will determine what you will be able to read on the post, on the activity, from Little Manatee Springs, and it can include 2 other neighborhoods. So we will start at the home page, and you can get to the home page just by clicking on Nextdoor. If you click on Nextdoor, you can see I'm at the home page. And this shows the last posts that were provided in Nextdoor. So if I go to the top right hand corner, this is where I am going to change my settings. So you will see a little picture and a down arrow, and you click on that. When you click on it, you will see something called settings. When you click on that with the left mouse button, it will bring you up to a menu under settings. You have several options here. You have emails, mobile alerts, nearby neighborhoods, privacy, and account. I'm going to click on nearby neighborhoods. When I click on that, on my account, I have 0 neighborhoods turned on. The only thing that I will receive is from Little Manatee Springs. But I can personalize my settings under this list of nearby neighbors. So if I click on that, it will bring up a map showing me Little Manatee Springs, Belmont Greens, and Sundance. Nextdoor, because of our close proximity to these other 2 neighborhoods, they allow us to be part of those neighborhoods if we desire. As you notice, I have them both turned off. I have Sundance turned off. I have Belmont Greens turned off. It tells you how many members of each one and more information here. If you desire to receive information from either one of these other neighborhoods, you go up here and click the off button and it will turn on. So I have turned both of them on. So you notice what happened? Belmont Green and Sundance both light up. If I leave it that way, I will be able to read posts and receive emails, if I select to do that, from these other 2 neighborhoods. I only want to receive information from Little Manatee Springs. So I go click on and it goes to off, and I click on it goes to off. The only thing that I will now receive will come from Little Manatee Springs. If that is your desire, you can just stop right there. You're all done. You've completed your mission for selecting the settings in Nextdoor. For those that want some variation, and let's say that you have Belmont Greens turned on, for example, I go up here and I turn on Belmont Green. Okay, I have this other neighborhood turned on, just one of them. Now I go back up here to my back arrow, click on the back arrow with the left mouse button, and I can go to email and select what I want to receive. If I click all, that means that I will receive all posts from my neighborhood, that is Little Manatee Springs, and top posts from the nearby neighborhoods. And right now, Belmont Greens is turned on, so I will receive information from them. If I want to, I can just receive some top posts from your neighbors. Or I can customize it and go down here and select by category each one of these items. For example, general, I could just receive just your neighborhood, or I could select your neighborhood and nearby. That means that I will receive emails from Little Manatee Springs, and I will also receive emails from Belmont Green, because I have Belmont Green is now turned on. Okay? But in my case, I don't want to receive anything other than Little Manatee Springs. So it really doesn't matter for me what is turned on or off here. Now I'm just going to go back to the settings under nearby neighborhoods and personalize my list. And I'm going to go back to the map, and I have Belmont Greens turned on, and I'm going to turn it off. All right. So now the only thing that I am going to be able to read and the only emails that I'll receive are going to come from Little Manatee Springs. So that's it. I'm all done. But just to cover one more topic, I'm going to go back one more time to my settings. And if you like, you can get mobile alerts. I have this checkbox. I have it checked. And I have my home phone number there. And what that means is that somewhere I'm going to get an alert. Maybe if California falls off into the ocean, they send me a text or something telling me that that's happened. I can go into privacy and select whatever you want for privacy for your address, whatever. This is your choice. You just look at these items and select whatever you want. And you can do the same with your account. This is where you could put your picture up in your profile or whatever you want. And that's it. That's all there is to changing your settings. You just exit out of that and you're all done.